Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. And this is part 2 of the marble race video. So we're going to build a marble race out of the paper.
Is that the one we're going to be building today?
Yes, we're going to be building this.
Alright, so we're going to be building that one today. Alright, looks like a lot there, but we can do it.
Yes, and it's 142 pieces.
Okay, and then after we build the maze, what are we going to do? Or build the race, what are we going to do?
We're going to race it.
Yeah, and we're going to incorporate some geography, right? Because we're going to race different countries using our globe. And the marbles are going to represent different countries. Alright, yep, that's the smart globe. So we will show you how to do it. So we're going to do some fun learning today. Stay tuned.
Alright, let's build.
Alright. Alright, now Corban's going to test it out.
Whoa, look at all the marbles. Oh, look at one go. They're all going into my base. There's only 2 more left. Wow. Hey, it went on top. We're done. Now we're going to test it out. Ooh, black one's in the lead.
Alright.
Alright, now we're going to pick our marbles.
Yeah, we're going to pick our country. So let's pick the first one in the continent of... What continent are you going to pick yours in, Corban?
Africa.
Alright, Africa.
Mali.
Alright, let's see. Let's get a close-up of Mali. Where is it?
Right here.
Okay, so that's Mali for Corban.
And this
Hold
green
on.
marble.
Here's Mali.
And this green and this marble is green because it represents one of the flags.
Okay, so it's the one, the colors in the Mali flag. And I'm going to pick South America.
South America.
Can you find South America on the globe?
And Peru.
Yeah, and I picked Peru. Alright, let them see it.
Peru.
Where's Peru? Can you point it out? Alright, there's Peru.
Okay.
Alright, and what color marble do we have for Peru?
Red because it has only one light in it.
Yeah, it has red in the flag. Alright, so it's Mali against Peru. Let's see who's going to win.
Ready?
Alright, and now we're going to race Peru against Mali.
Let me know who you think is gonna win.
Alright, let's see who's going to win.
Okay. Ah! I dropped it. Okay.
Alright, I think
I think this one's gonna win.
I think Peru's gonna win. Do you think Mali's gonna win? Alright,
yeah.
go.
Go. Wow! I wish I could win.
Alright, it's going here. Let's see. Woo! Okay, Peru won! Yay! Alright, so now round 2. Alright, Peru won the first one, so Corban's gonna pick another country.
So this one is blue. Represent. So I'm gonna be Kazakhstan.
Okay.
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Where is that?
And it's right here.
Okay, and that's in between actually Europe and Asia. So where is it? Can you point to it again? Oh, right there. Okay, and what color is in their flag?
Blue.
Blue. All right, and I'm going to be the United States. And what continent is that in?
It's in North America.
North America.
Right.
Where is it? Where is it? Okay, that's the United States, and I'm going to pick red because our flag is red, white, and blue. All right, let's see who's going to win. All right, Corban's going to put him in. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Mom. How come you're...
Red is United States.
You won.
All right, red won, United States won. All right, last round. Okay, last round, and this one is worth 3 points. So Corban is going to be, let's see, you said Australia, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's find Australia.
I'm gonna be...
Which is in Oceania.
Australia.
Okay, where is that?
It's right here.
All right, let's get a close up here. All right, let's turn it so they can see it. All right, Australia.
And I'm gonna be blue because it's one of the colors in the flag.
Okay, Australia.
And Mommy's gonna be Antarctica, which is clear because it has no official country.
Yes, and I'm gonna be in Antarctica, right? Which is clear because it has no official country. All right, let's see who's gonna win. You ready?
Yes, let's go.
All right, this round is worth 3 points. Let's see who's gonna win, Australia or Antarctica.
And mine first. Yay! Oh my god. Whoa, mine! Yeah! Finally!
Corbin won the bonus round. Corbin won.
I won the game.
Good game. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yes.
And remember, you can have fun with your own marble race.
Yes, you can have fun with your own marble race. Please subscribe and like this video if you like what you see. Bye.
I won.
Yes, you won. And you say good game for good sportsmanship.
Good game.
Good game.
See you in the next video. Bye.